Out of all the questions I get asked, it should come as no surprise that most of them revolve around one of our most popular products, Dermal Repair Complex. With so many people asking how to use it, I've decided to not only answer that question, but read between the lines and provide the necessary information you need to feel confident in your purchase. You see, I believe despite its ease of use, the question continues to appear because people want to make sure they're using it correctly and eager to see results. So first, let's start with answering how to use the product. Make sure you have your dermal repair ready and available to you. From here on out, it never gets more complicated. In order to get the best results, I recommend taking 2 daily capsules with 8 fluid ounces of water, a meal, or as directed by your healthcare provider. Yes, it really is that easy. With how simple it is to use dermal repair, you might be wondering what exactly is contained within these capsules. You see, it all comes down to 6 key ingredients that make our formula one of the best around. The first is saw palmetto. This is a species of palm that helps reduce the visible effects of skin degradation and reinforces youthful elasticity. The second is MSM. MSM is a chemical compound that works deep within you to promote strong skin for a firmer, more toned look. The third is hydrolyzed collagen. This form of collagen has been broken down into more easily dissolvable amino acids that help your skin maintain a firm, lifted look. The fourth is hyaluronic acid. This is a naturally occurring polysaccharide found throughout the body's connective tissue. It helps to deeply moisturize skin from the inside out, promoting optimal softness and plumping. The fifth is vitamin B. This vitamin helps encourage cell turnover and promotes a constantly renewed and energized complexion. And lastly, vitamin A. Vitamin A is a potent antioxidant that helps your body fight against environmental aging and in turn promoting an overall more youthful look. These 6 ingredients make up one of the most talked about skincare products on the market today. But what if you or someone you know is younger? Can they still see the potential benefits of dermal repair? The short answer is yes. I always encourage you to start caring for your skin as soon as you can, because even at the early age of 20, your skin begins its aging process. There is no better time than now to be proactive. Additionally, the potent ingredients in this formula are designed to help the skin structure and provide a radiant, healthy overall appearance. That means that even if you're not experiencing visible aging, you can still feel tremendous benefits from taking Dermal Repair Complex daily. In fact, we're so confident in Dermal Repair Complex that if you decide this formula isn't right for you for any reason, our extended 90-day money-back guarantee has you covered. Just send back the bottles you wish to return, even if they're empty, and we'll refund your purchase right away. I'm Dr. John Layke, and I'll see you next time.